Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. Let's get started. First, open Claude AI in your browser and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in, click on your account icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Connectors option. Next, click on Customize. You'll be taken to a new page where you can manage your connectors. Now, click on the plus icon beside the Connectors heading. After that, click on Browse Connectors. A new window will open. Click on the search bar and type Figma. When Figma appears in the search results, click on it. Then, click the Connect button on the right side of the screen. You'll now be redirected to the Figma sign-in page. Sign into your Figma account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, review the requested permissions and click Allow to authorize the connection. Wait a few moments while Claude AI completes the setup. Once the process is finished, you'll see that Claude AI has been successfully connected to your Figma account. You can now use your Figma designs directly with Claude AI for your projects. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.